कितना ज़रूरी है to kiss the right asses and to PR and network in the
Maybe
right
just to be a
way?
nicer person. Well, maybe it wasn't kissing. Maybe I'm just not a nice enough person. No.
Okay.
I think ज़रूरी है.
You're not the mahi in real life.
I'm not the Mahi. No, I am. I'm lazy and
मुश्किल है ना इंडस्ट्री
मुश्किल
आपको
है, and
अपना
I'm also a bit of, you wouldn't think, but I'm also a huge homebody. I'm like an introverted extrovert. So I like my space. I don't want to spend extra time on conversing about things that don't interest me. I'm very, very closed off like that.
Right.
So it is mushkil, and you have to have a bit of a more hyper bubbly personality. I'm someone, and I'm also someone who's always really been more interested in direction too.
अच्छा.
So like for me, if I'm on a set, I'm observing, I want to direct, I want to produce, I want to create other kind of content. तो जब आप इतना passionate नहीं रहते उस चीज़ के बारे में जिसमें आप हैं, तो वो चीज़ भी आपको थोड़ा reject करती है. So मैं इतनी passionate नहीं थी जितना मुझे होना चाहिए था. I was more interested in the arty side of things. You know.
तो what is the right way? I mean, for an actor, क्या आपके हर actor पे एक filter लगना चाहिए और एक carefully constructed persona होना चाहिए जो दुनिया देखे कि हाँ भी ये है इसका कितना
सुबह 2 बजे ट्वीट ना करें जो भी जहन में हो अगर आपकी नींद
शायद वहाँ ये
नींद ना पूरी हो because like for example like that pizza boy thing Amna that was sarcasm that was literally like कि जब मैंने उसे कहा बेटा मर्द बनो शाबाश तो मैंने क्यों कहा मैं अपनी तरफ से एक issue highlight कर रही हूँ and I got turned into like this demon so be very careful because इस attitude से आए industry में कि nobody's your friend no offense especially not the media and if you say something the negative thing will sell more so आपकी कोई भी बात किसी भी तरह बिगाड़ के एक हेडलाइन बना सकती है because वो बिकेगी आप एक टूल हैं be very careful how you present yourself
that's
what
such a pity because फिर आप अपना you can't be yourself
you can't be yourself anything you say anything whether it's good or bad can be misconstrued anything so फिर आपका activism कहाँ रहे you know and it's scary because it's so difficult to even care about causes in this country. Like if I'm passionate about animal abuse,
and you are,
and I am, तो मुझे गालियाँ पड़ेंगी कि यहाँ इंसानों के साथ ही हो रहा है आपको कुत्तों की पड़ी है. अब एक चीज़ के बारे में मैं बचपन से passionate हूँ मुझे उस चीज़ पे भी गालियाँ पड़ेंगी. You know, they don't spare you. They're looking to, and it's sad कि अब media ऐसा हो गया है.
लेकिन खाली media नहीं attack करता अब तो citizen journalism है ना अगर आप if you're tweeting something it's not just the media it's the people
it's everyone all netizens
netizens हैं और media will pick up what is trending I mean कोई भी अगर
but why are they so negative I want to know when I really would like to know why there's so much hate out there not just towards me I see हर एक के साथ है that makes me feel a little better because I thought सिर्फ मेरे साथ था and I realized सबके साथ है there's so much anger
नहीं कुछ होली काउज हैं उनके खिलाफ कुछ नहीं होता
कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं कोई उनके खिलाफ भी कुछ ना कुछ गन दिखा जाता है
I think we just live in a very negative world right now मेरे ख्याल है बहुत ज़रूरी है उसमें से positivity निकालना
but our country a little bit more than like I follow so many foreign celebrities उनके नीचे इतना गन नहीं लिखा होता
इसलिए कि दो चीज़ें आप उनके किटी में से निकाल देते हो ना एक रिलीजन और एक सेक्स so उस पे कमेंट्री नहीं होगी कि आपने पहना क्या है नंगे हो एसेट्रा एसेट्रा और इस पे नहीं होगी कि
बट द आयरनी इज जिनको हमारे लिबरलिज्म से मसला है वो हमें फॉलो भी करते हैं और वो फिर जाके मियां खलीफा को भी फॉलो करते हैं और वो फिर जाके कटरीना कैफ को भी फॉलो करते हैं लेकिन हम अगर खुदा न खास्ता लिबरल हैं और हमारा ब्रॉटअप अगर ऐसा है और हमारी चॉइस अगर ऐसी है
तो बस फिर आप भुगते हैं
तकलीफ होती है और फॉलो भी करते हैं गालियाँ भी देते हैं follow you all the haters follow you so it's just
so जहाँ filter ज़रूरी है वहाँ block भी ज़रूरी है that you have to block the noise at some point you have to block the clutter and you have to block the noise
absolutely otherwise you'll go crazy
अच्छा बंदे एक डोर से back to the drama
that got serious
back from life to drama and they both coincide all the time back to drama बंदे एक डोर से तो बड़ा simple project है इसके बाद क्या है when do we see you on the big screen?
You are going to see me on the big screen very soon, inshallah. I am about to shoot a film. I can't disclose the name because it's sort of in the works. And now I think our hero is also in the talks. He was locked, but I'm not sure. But it's a crime drama. It's just the kind of role that I've been wanting to do for a while. My role is not that big in it. The woman's role is not that big in it, unfortunately. I mean, she's the only main lead female, but it's mostly about the guy. And it's actually really cool, and I will say this, I play a cricketer.
Oh, nice.
I'm so excited.
Nice. Is that why you're in the gym all day?
No, because it's not really about cricket. It's a crime drama, but So it gives me motivation. Okay, I'm playing an athlete.
Good. That's excellent. That's exciting to hear.
I'm excited to play. And it's a cool role. It's a strong woman's role. It's not like a commercially film. It's a very arty film, so I'm excited.
And who's your dream hero to be cast with? I love the expression you're giving, but please note करें उष्णा का expression dream hero पे. ऐसे कौन से actors हैं?
I know them all.
नहीं ऐसे कौन से actors हैं जिनके साथ आप कहो कि यार big screen पे आना है तो?
I think the benchmark right now is obviously Fawad. Who doesn't want to work with him? Just because he seems like such an awesome guy.
Yeah.
Like I've met him like once or twice, and just such a gentleman. And I think he's represented us so well internationally. The guy is so cool, and so he just exudes class and dignity. So I'm a huge Fawad Khan fan for that reason alone. And then of course Fahad Mustafa, because he's my boss. He's the Big Bang co-owner, so I call him boss. Man,
and he's the boss.
He's the boss. And उनकी टिकटें बिकती हैं. If I want to be in a film, I want it to top the box office.
Yeah.
So hell yeah, I'd love to work with both of them. The two Fs.
And उसके नीचे?
There's nobody I'm that. यार कोई भी आ जाए कोई अच्छी फिल्म बना ले. Anyone. There's so many new people that are doing such a great job. I can't think of anybody.
You're open to all options.
Yeah, more or less open to all options.
कोई ऐसे roles हैं that उष्णा शाह would say यार ये I'm not going to touch this. ये मैं नहीं करूँगी.
I don't know. I don't think I want to play the abused chick anymore.
है ना?
I'm done with that.
I'm happy to hear that.
I don't want to, like, man, I gotta pay the bills. So yeah, maybe I'll bring chai in a couple of times.
चाय बहुत consume होती है वैसे हमारे ड्रामा में. कितनी चाय ना, हर कुछ भी हो चाय की प्याली जरूर आती है.
आप फ्रेश हो जाए मैं चाय बनाऊं.
आप फ्रेश हो जाए मैं चाय यार है ये है ना एक ड्रामा. आप फ्रेश हो जाए मैं चाय बनाती हूँ.
Yeah, no, I just don't want to be the bichari ladki anymore. I'm so sick of it. But then I don't want to play the black and white negative role either. Because या आप full बिचारी हैं या आप full बुरी हैं.
Full vixen है.
Vixen है.
Man eater और house breaker.
Yeah, bro, and I've tried to even downplay the vixen roles. मैंने एक दो negative भी किए हैं.
हाँ.
उनको मैंने कोशिश की है. I love my role in Cheek. मेरा जो guest role था.
अच्छा था.
हालांकि वो submissive था, but I got to play a girl with a lot of hasrat in it.
Yeah.
And I love that. That role was quiet, but it had dimension. I was very happy. Zanjabil, man, she's amazing. But yeah, I'm sick of playing the bichari. Like, I want to kick some butt now, you know?
तो मौका मिलेगा ना?
Yeah, but I want to like do some action stuff. Like, I'm a strong girl. I want to kick some butt. I want to play something crazy and amazing. Or, you know what I really want to do? आपने Us देखी है?
देखिए.
That is like my ultimate dream role. I would love to play somebody with multiple personality disorder. मुझे अगर कोई chance मिल जाए screen पे आने का जहाँ मैं मुख्तलिफ characters एक frame में play कर सकूँ, उसमें जो homework जाएगा और जो मेहनत जाएगी, I want to do that.
So you need a challenge now.
I need a challenge.
कोई ऐसा role है अभी जो ड्रामे चल रहे हैं जो आपको देख के कि यार I wish ये मैंने किया होता है, मतलब this is the role I wanted to do.
Yes. I auditioned for it और मुझे नहीं मिला.
ओहो.
और मुझसे ज़्यादा deserving actress को मिल गया.
अच्छा चलो.
और वो था चुड़ैल्स में जुगनू का रोल यास्रा रिजवी ने जो किया. और वो बिल्कुल perfect things रोल के लिए.
हाँ.
और मेरे ख्याल में मेरी ज़िंदगी का ये पहला audition होगा.
हाँ.
I was not used to auditioning. But आसिम ने मुझे audition किया and he did it very professionally. And वो मुझे नहीं मिला. और वो उसे किया कि मुझे नहीं मिला because वो Yasra has done such a good job.
Yeah.
But that I would have loved to play something like
something
that.
like that.
Yeah, that was a cool role.
That's true. That's true.
That's a cool role.
That was a cool
That's
role.
a role I would like to play.
But very graciously admitted that it was played extremely well by Yasra.
I mean, I think they all did such a good job. Mirbano and Sana and everybody. I think they're just such good actors.
Chudals will go down in history.
Yeah, it will. No, we need content like that.
हाँ.
But again, अगर आप देखें कि ये content पाकिस्तानी नहीं है, इसको Zee ने fund किया है.
हाँ,
ये पैसे इंडिया ने लगाए हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो हम क्यों नहीं इस तरह के कंटेंट पे पैसे लगा सकते? टैलेंट है पाकिस्तान में बना.
आपका ख्याल है कि हमारी कौम जो है वो तैयार है ऐसे कंटेंट देखने के लिए?
हमारी कौम ने देखा नहीं चुड़ैल्स?
Well, I mean, online viewership बहुत कम है compared to television viewership.
हमारी कौम वही कौम है जो एक ज़माने में जो पाकिस्तान का जो गोल्डन एरा था तो सबसे अच्छे ड्रामे देखती थी. पढ़ी लिखी कौम है जो मरीना खान के ड्रामे और वो उस ज़माने के ड्रामे देखती. वही कौम है. उनको हमने एजुकेट करना है ना. सो हमें अगर हम जो अथॉरिटीज़ हैं वो एक चांस दे दें और हम एजुकेट करना शुरू कर दें तो हम अपनी कौम को ग्रूम कर सकते हैं मासेस वगैरह को टू लाइक गुड कंटेंट. आप अपग्रेड होते हैं ना लोग, हम कर सकते हैं,
हमें करना चाहिए,
हमें करना चाहिए।
Maybe without the expletives and
The what?
the गालियाँ.
Galia had a flavor. I would like to be able to swear on screen. That'd be fun. Yeah,
What else would you like to do on
so,
screen?
I mean, oh god, none of that. But yeah, I mean, it'd be cool. Like, I wanted to show things that actually happen in, for example, boarding schools, and you know, I wanted to highlight on a lot of real stuff. We don't make real stuff as much anymore. Actual things that girls and guys go through, actual experiences that they have. We bleep it and we act like कि होता नहीं है.
हाँ बिल्कुल, हम sanitize कर देते हैं.
हम sanitize कर देते हैं और फिर आपको एक polished product मिलता है जिस पे लोग कहते हैं कि this is not real. Okay.
Well, it's a double-edged sword. इसी चीज़ को ख़त्म कर सकते हैं कि it's a double-edged sword. आपका Ashna, on a parting note, what is your advice for girls who come into the industry now? मैं देख रही हूँ और मैं एक brief सा recap ज़रूर देना चाहूँगी कि जितनी लड़कियों को हम देखते हैं अब जो आ रही हैं, they're extremely raw ones, जो एक दो ड्रामे उन्होंने किए हैं. They're all looking the same. They all want to get things done to their face so that their lips are a little plumper and their skins are a little lighter.
Yeah.
They all have the same blow dries. They all have the same dispositions. उनके लिए क्या आपकी राय होगी that how do they stand out in this mela?
Yeah, सबसे पहली चीज़ तो I have to say I don't judge anyone who gets work done. You know. I'm gonna need to get some things pulled eventually. So there's nothing wrong with looking your
best. And it's okay to do it.
It's okay
Absolutely.
to look the best version of yourself. But if you're altering yourself to look like a completely different person, then there's something wrong there. And eventually everyone does start looking the same. So, you know, जैसे फैशंस के ट्रेंड्स आते जाते हैं, आपकी ब्यूटी का ट्रेंड नहीं होना चाहिए, आपके फीचर्स एक ट्रेंड नहीं है. They are like everlasting things that God has given you. So उसके साथ जो कुछ करना भी है तो प्लीज़ एक हद तक करें, अपने आप को बिगाड़े ना, and like love yourself and bring some individuality, because जो भी ट्रेंड होता है वो पास हो जाता है. So momentarily शायद आप उस ट्रेंड को राइड कर लें, लेकिन जब वो पास होगा तो फिर then you'll go with it. So if you just sustain and stay yourself, then there's only going to be one face that's you.
And not just face, persona
and look, and so you don't have to always fit in. मैं एक सही इंसान नहीं हूँ ये एडवाइस देने वाली, because I never fit in and that doesn't always work in my favor. But I'll be honest, it also does, because you know there's also that side of the public in the media and people who understand that I am who I am and my individuality works in my favor. You know, they can see past the facade and understand what's there, and I think so too, and that's a good thing. I'm grateful for it. It's not good to be like everyone else. So मेरी advice है, if you want to be anything like where I am, which you might not want, but my advice is to stay completely true to yourself, because at least you can look back and say you had integrity.